Hey, good morning, guys. This is Kevin. Happy Tuesday. And here, right in front of Oakmont property, I'm giving you a progress report. And we're doing a walkthrough. This is the week before the final week. So let me just turn the camera around. What I promised you guys that we would do. By the way, how do you think of that chandelier over there? Looks pretty nice, huh? What do you think? Okay, so we laid the countertops in the kitchen, put the handles on, okay, and installed the range, the dishwasher, the microwave. Look at that beautiful stainless steel microwave. This is the nice kitchen that we have, matte black, okay, and that is the kitchen that I promised that we would do last week, the kitchen countertops and so forth. And we did the shower tiles. How beautiful, huh? Look at the beautiful shower tiles. Okay. That little niche with the glass. Okay. And also the shower floor tiles. Yeah, that's what we did. Okay. So that's that. So the way that it was, like, this was actually a very, very huge bathroom. We actually shrank it so that we could make room for the second bedroom that we built out here. Okay, so this is gonna be this is the second bedroom. Used to be part of the bathroom here. So we make space for the second bedroom, yeah. And there was actually a door that was closed, but we just built the door back, and then we created this bedroom. It was just one big bedroom, so we just created 2 bedrooms here. So that's it about this house. I just want you to see the kitchen, mainly the kitchen and the bathroom. Okay, we're gonna put a dimmer here because the chandelier is too bright, so we're gonna put a dimmer there, and everything will be good. Okay, just take a look at the kitchen one more time. Got a nice countertops with the backsplash. Okay, all the handles are in stainless steel, microwave, the range, and the dishwasher. So this house is almost ready. All right, this house is almost ready. All the baseboards are in. We're doing last touch-ups this week. Everything should be done in this house. There's a few kind of like things that we need to do. We installed a brand new UC unit, kind of enlarged that register, so we have to really just patch this up, okay, and just make sure that it's refinished. Okay, all the outlets, okay, are done here. So just last minute touch-ups, and we're good to go with this house. Bought the furniture already, so that is going to be built out as well. Okay, so that's it about this house. And actually this is actually a very good flooring. I mean, if you come and see it yourself with your own eyes, it actually matches really well. It's just the lighting. Okay, it's actually lighter than this, what you see on the camera, but you probably can't tell. It actually matches really well. And this is kind of floor that we use for all the houses, and all our buyers love it. They fall in love with it. All right, so this is Kevin from Insightful II Buy Houses. We buy 1 or 2 houses on a monthly basis. We buy them to turn them, to flip them, or we just keep them in our portfolio. So till next time, Kevin. And I will see you Next week. Next week. This house is gonna be on the market. Germany, I need more houses from you. Give me a house. Gotta start prospecting, man. Alright. So let me just turn off all the lights and we are going to be out of here. Sayonara, bye, guys. Daily, awesome. That's the way to do it. Let's buy a house together. Alright, take care guys. Bye.